Hello, nature lovers. Today, we're diving into the magical world of butterflies. These delicate creatures captivate our hearts with their vibrant colors and graceful flight. Let's explore the amazing lives of butterflies together. Butterflies are known for their stunning wings, which come in all the colors of the rainbow. But did you know that these beautiful patterns aren't just for show? They help butterflies attract mates and can even serve as camouflage from predators. Take a closer look at a butterfly's wings. Those tiny scales that create the colors are actually made up of millions of microscopic scales. Each scale reflects light in a way that creates the dazzling colors we see. Butterflies start their lives as caterpillars, munching on leaves and growing rapidly. This stage is all about eating and getting ready for the next big transformation. When a caterpillar is ready, it forms a chrysalis, also known as a pupa. Inside this protective shell, the caterpillar undergoes an incredible transformation called metamorphosis. It's like nature's own magic trick. After a few weeks, a fully formed butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, ready to take on the world. This process is truly one of the most amazing phenomena in the natural world. Butterflies play important roles in our ecosystems. As they flit from flower to flower, they help pollinate plants, ensuring that fruits, vegetables, and flowers can grow. They're essential for a healthy environment. Butterflies have a sweet tooth, or rather, a sweet proboscis. This long, tube-like tongue lets them sip nectar from deep within flowers. It's their main source of food and gives them the energy to fly and reproduce. There are over 20,000 species of butterflies, each adapted to their own unique environments. Whether they're in tropical rainforests, meadows, or even deserts, butterflies bring beauty and life wherever they go. In conclusion, butterflies are not just beautiful, they're vital to our ecosystems and a reminder of nature's incredible ability to transform and adapt. By protecting their habitats and planting butterfly-friendly gardens, we can help these amazing insects thrive. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of butterflies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of nature. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty around you.